However, these necessary actions do not come without economic cost. The island group of Luzon accounts for 72% of our gross domestic product or GDP. Without additional intervention, our positive GDP growth rates may reverse to negative 0.6%. If we are able to beat this virus in 3 months and redouble our efforts to recover our growth trajectory in the second half of the year, the economy can still grow by up to 4.3% according to NEDA. Para sa milyong-milyong pamilyang Pilipino, nakasalalay sa mga numerong ito kung kanilang malalagpasan o hindi ang krisis at sakripisyo na kanilang dinaranas ngayon. We must prepare for challenging times. Given the likely contraction in GDP growth, this year's budget deficit will surely exceed the 3.6% threshold that our economic managers estimated before the enhanced community quarantine was put in place. It is crucial, however, for the government to keep fighting COVID-19 and to keep investing in our infrastructure program and our people so that economic sectors are jump-started and jobs are created as quickly as possible once the outbreak is behind us.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.